got dead last.
Number 13. Jimmy Wright running second. Number 56, Forrest Scott. Forrest Scott running second. Richard Johnson in the schoolboy class. Hershey, number 34. Hershey, number 2. Olsen. Halfway point, just down by number 348. Mike Torres. Number 26. Number 13, Jimmy Ryan. Forrest Scott, second in the schoolboy class. Number 34, Brandon Hershey off the pace. Still out front holding on that lead, number 348, the 250B class, Mike Torres. Making his way up over the second overall bike on the back, number 6. Raymond Johnson. The leader of Mike Torres becoming the white Mike Torres. Second overall on the track, number 26, Raymond Johnson.